How to withdraw your money from the Sweatcoin. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can withdraw your money from the Sweatcoins. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your Sweatcoin application, and from here you have to go into your My Store. Now once you are in, as you can see that there is the many different products that you can see in the, and if you go in the balance, now here is basically your balance. Now you have to keep in mind that this app doesn't give you ability to withdraw your sweat coins straight into your cash. So as you can see that there is the many digital and the physical products, you can watch it throughout because these are constantly changing. So what you have to do is simply select any one of the great deal and you can use your balance to buy some of these stuff. So you are not able to withdraw your money from the Sweatcoin, but you can buy different thing from your balance. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.